If you want to add a hyperlink in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can link a heading, image, button, or even specific text inside a paragraph. This is one of the simplest Elementor skills to learn, but it can make a huge difference in how your website works and how visitors move through your pages. Whether you're linking to another page on your site, an external website, or a product page, this tutorial will keep everything beginner-friendly and easy to follow. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and click on the widget you want to add a hyperlink to. This could be a heading widget, an image widget, a button widget, or any other element that supports linking. Once you click the widget, the settings will appear in the left-hand panel. From there, look for the General tab, because that's where you'll usually find the link options for the element you selected. Now locate the link field. In some Elementor widgets, you may see a small plus icon next to the link option. Go ahead and click that plus icon, and Elementor will reveal a hidden field directly underneath it. This is where you can paste your link. This step is important because the field may not look fully expanded at first, so don't worry if you don't see the URL box right away. Next, paste your website address into the field. For example, if you want to send people to Google, you could enter a full URL like https://www.google.com. You can also link to any other page, post, service page, or external website you want. Just make sure that URL is correct, because even a small typo can send visitors to the wrong place or create a broken link. After that, check the opening behavior. Directly below the URL field, you'll usually see an option for opening the link in a new tab. If you want visitors to stay on your site while also opening the linked page separately, turn this option on. This is a great choice for external links, affiliate links, and resource pages. If you want the current page to replace itself instead, you can leave it off. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your layout and user experience. Now, if you only want to hyperlink a specific word or phrase inside a block of text, Elementor gives you another simple method. First, click inside the text container on the page canvas. Then, highlight the exact words you want to link. As soon as you highlight the text, a floating toolbar will appear near your cursor. In that toolbar, click the link icon, which usually looks like a little chain link. Once you click it, a small pop-up field will appear where you can paste your URL. Enter the link, confirm it, and your selected text will now become clickable. This method is especially useful when you want to link just one phrase inside a longer paragraph instead of linking the entire text block. It gives your page a cleaner look and helps guide users more naturally to the right destination. So whether you're linking a button, a heading, an image, or just one sentence, Elementor makes the process very easy once you know where to look. Before we finish, don't forget the final step, publishing your changes. Once your hyperlink is added and everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. If you're editing an existing page, make sure to update it so your changes go live. It's always a good idea to preview the page first and test the link after publishing to make sure it opens exactly where you want it to. And that's how to add a hyperlink in Elementor. You've now learned how to link different widgets, how to insert a URL, how to open a page in a new tab, and how to add links to specific text using the floating toolbar. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.